In this video, we'll show you how to crochet using two ends together. We're using Serdar Stories and you'll use the yarns and hook in your pattern. I'm going to be showing you how to use two ends together, doing a double crochet and starting from a foundation chain. To find out more about these stitch techniques, you can see our other videos. Working with two ends together helps create a thicker fabric. You might work in the same colour or different colours to get a different effect. When working with two ends of yarn, you want to treat them as if they're one strand. So we're going to pull out evenly and we're going to work with them both at the same time. We're going to take our yarn and I'm going to start off with a slip knot and place this on my hook. Now what we want to do when we're working with two yarns is I'm going to start my chain and I'm going to make sure that I go over both yarns in one go and work them together as if they were one strand. You want to try and get your fluid chain movement and hold them together, helping the yarn not split into two separate strands. I'm now going to show you how to go back into the stitch doing a double crochet, but working with two strands you can use in any different stitch technique. When you're going into your chain, you want to make sure that you go under both strands, and then we grab the two strands from back and pull through to the front. And then to complete my double crochet, I'm going to yarn over and pull through both loops. You just want to make sure that even though you're working with two ends, you're treating it as if it was one yarn. So I'm going to go through my chain, make sure I go under both of my ends, come through the back, grab the yarn, pull both of those ends through as if they were one, and then wrap around and pull through both. You want to continue using your yarns together and treating them as if they're one strand. And that's how you do two ends together with crochet. Practice until you're confident and then head to serdar.com for more stitches, beginner kits, patterns and yarn.